How to stop automatic updates in Windows 11. This is a simple and easy method, so just follow along step by step. First, click on search icon for the taskbar and search for Services. Click on the Services app to open it. Once the window opens, scroll all the way down until you find Windows Update. When you see it, double-click on Windows Update. In the new window, change the startup type from manual to disabled, then click Apply. Next, switch to the Recovery tab at the top. Under First Failure, change the option to Take No Action. After that, click Apply, then OK. Now, double-click on Windows Update once again. If the service status shows running, click the Stop button to stop it. Then click OK. And that's it. Automatic updates have now been disabled on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.